how do you know when to shift on a motorcycle? And the answer is really going to be, you got to know the bike. Every bike is different, depending on the engine size, the type of bike, sports bike versus cruiser, naked bike versus adventure bike. All these bikes have different engines and are designed to operate. Although they all are designed to operate to make the motorcycle go, they're all designed to have different shift points, different stress levels, different tolerances, and they like to do different things. Sports bikes, they like to rev up. There's nothing wrong with revving your bike up. This bike revs to 15,000 RPMs, but I'm normally going to shift somewhere between 7 and 9, just because that's a good comfortable shifting point. I don't need to redline this bike to get the most out of it for street driving. When I'm street riding, I'm not worrying about trying to go and, you know, have the highest RPM shift. It's just not necessary. That's not the purpose of what I'm using it for out here. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna accelerate out. When we feel that bike when we feel it vibrating a lot more and getting much louder, we're gonna go ahead and shift up. That's normally gonna happen at that 7 to 9 mark. All right, so let's see what we got. So nice, easy off the clutch. It's just a light touch on the clutch. Okay, let the bike rev a little bit. Working in first. And we have a red light up here, so we're not gonna shift right now. We're just gonna back off the throttle and just come hang out. We have room in front, so we're gonna move over. So we're just gonna stay in that first. Got a left turn here, so he's probably gonna go first. Okay. A red light up ahead, which means we're probably gonna catch it in stride on green. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna ease off the clutch. Add a little gas, pull on that clutch, let it out. Alright, we hear that bike working a little bit. Bike's getting to that point, and that's where we want it. Nice easy shift. Then to shift, we're just pulling in this clutch, lifting up on our left foot, and then and we're gonna get going. If my Spotify wants to hang out, that's okay too.